Bank South Pacific today presented its Q3 results to investors and analysts. On the backdrop of a challenging environment, the bank managed to realize a profit, although slightly down from the previous quarter.
In terms of the financials, net profit after tax for the quarter was 216 million kina, compared to the previous quarter of 225 million kina. As we mentioned at the last presentation, there are a couple of one specific one-off transaction that occurred during the second quarter of 2018, which is in relation to the loss of the aircraft, one of the aircraft Dash 8 that we'd had on an operating lease to Air New Guinea. We'd received insurance proceeds from the loss of that particular aircraft, hence had a higher non-interest income, non-interest revenue line of around about 19 million kina.
In terms of its balance sheet, BSP also recorded a decrease in total deposits in Q3, with Papua New Guinea deposits down on the previous quarter. According to the bank, this was due to a number of factors.
So part of it is being a currency available. Kina that's been trapped in country, foreign currency becomes available. There's also been, and we continue to move deposits to the government, the PMMR. BSP's, as part of the process for the PMMR has been that government deposits in the banking system with BSP and other banks start to move back to Bank of PNG under consolidated revenue. Therefore, that's been progressing. And a component was also associated with the translation risk. If the local currency amounts in Vanuatu, Solomons and Fiji may not have changed, but if the PNG kina is a little bit weaker, that means that there's a translation movement in the overall deposit balances.
However, despite minor negatives in Q3, the overall outlook for the bank remains positive, with the CEO of BSP confident that the economic environment is now improving in PNG and also across the region.
And overall, good financial performance, continuing to pass on benefits to both our shareholders with a strong interim dividend, which was paid last week at 32 toa a share, as part of 160 million kina. Still remain the largest non-mining taxpayer in the country, and also endeavouring as much as possible to ensure that our customers benefit from a lower cost product offering.
Mary Batulo, National EMTV News.